Looking for the best product to sell on Amazon or online? Natural honey is in the most demand on Amazon and online. The natural honey business has seen significant growth in recent years, spurred by the rise in health-conscious consumers, a growing appreciation for natural and organic products, increased use of honey as a natural sweetener in cooking and baking, and successful marketing strategies emphasizing honey's numerous health benefits. Based on historical data, in India, the search term natural honey is expected to see a surge in interest in regions like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana, particularly in the months of May, August, and December. On a global scale, the search term natural honey experiences increased interest, especially in regions like Australia, New Zealand, and the United States, particularly in the months of April, November, and December. However, it's essential to understand that these predictions are not definitive and can be influenced by various factors and unforeseen events. For more product market trends, subscribe to Buymarg, and for more information visit buymarg.com.